How to create effective ad campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore creating powerful Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns. Discover the benefits of advertising on these platforms and measuring success through key metrics. Define your marketing goals and choose the right ad objectives to achieve them. Create an ad account and connect your Facebook page and Instagram account to the Ad Manager. Navigate the Ad Manager interface to efficiently manage your campaigns. Learn how to target your audience using core, custom, and lookalike audiences for better results. Craft eye-catching visuals and compelling ad copy to engage your audience effectively. Understand the different ad placements available and select the best ones for your campaign. Set a suitable budget and schedule for your ads to maximize their impact. Analyze ad performance metrics and use A/B testing to optimize your campaigns. Utilize Facebook Pixel for conversion tracking to gain valuable insights. Master retargeting strategies to bring back potential customers and boost conversions. Incorporate Instagram Stories ads to leverage this popular and engaging format. Join our Facebook and Instagram ads course to level up your skills and become an expert. The course offers step-by-step tutorials for campaign setup and expert tips from industry professionals. Explore real-world case studies to learn from successful ad campaigns. Engage in Q&A sessions to clarify your doubts and get personalized guidance. Enroll now and skyrocket your business with the power of social media advertising. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need assistance. We're here to help. Understand the basics of Facebook and Instagram ads for effective marketing. Know your marketing goals and how ad objectives align with them. Use Facebook Ad Manager and Instagram ads to manage your campaigns efficiently. Leverage core, custom, and lookalike audiences for precise targeting. Create captivating visuals and persuasive ad copy to engage your audience. Explore various ad placements on both platforms for better reach. Allocate a suitable budget and schedule your ads strategically. Analyze ad performance and conduct A/B testing to optimize your campaigns. Master Facebook Pixel for tracking conversions and refining your approach. Implement retargeting strategies to convert potential customers into buyers. Use Instagram Stories ads to engage users through immersive content. Enhance your skills with our comprehensive Facebook and Instagram ads course. Benefit from step-by-step tutorials and industry expert tips in the course. Learn from real-life case studies to understand successful ad strategies. Get your questions answered through interactive Q&A sessions. Join the course today and take your business to new heights. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and updates. Make use of the comment section to seek assistance or share your thoughts. Discover the immense potential of social media advertising for your business. Set clear marketing objectives to drive effective ad campaigns. Create a cohesive ad account by linking Facebook and Instagram. Use the Ad Manager interface to manage and monitor your ads. Refine your target audience with precise core, custom, and lookalike audiences. Craft engaging visuals and compelling ad copy to attract viewers. Choose the right ad placements for optimal performance. Strategically allocate your ad budget and schedule for maximum impact. Analyze ad performance data to optimize your campaigns for better results. Enroll in our Facebook and Instagram ads course for expert-level knowledge and success.